one of the most important things we can do is not only create capability for now, but really think ahead about what's coming and build those things out for the future as well.
That billion-dollar idea or business at one point started as nothing more than an idea on paper. And so we nurture and incubate those ideas.
We're using data to make data more valuable. It's like interest on interest.
Data is the currency. What kind of insights can you get? Are these insights actionable? How can I understand my consumers better? Make outcomes based on that.
We really hold the keys to actually driving the next set of innovations that are going to be led by data, that's going to be infused with artificial intelligence.
The optimization of data is at the heart of Agile Process Automation, a new digital platform for robotic process automation as a service, combining cloud and RPA with embedded AI. APA is as revolutionary as its creator, DXC Technology.
April 2017.
The news on Wall Street this morning, the world's leading independent end-to-end IT services company begins trading.
We are a new brand, a new entity in the market, but we weren't born yesterday. Our partner ecosystem also is a very important part to our success.
The key really though is to be able to iterate and be able to get to market very quickly with this ecosystem of partners that continually evolve.
Through its world-class partner network, DXC BPS teams with partners to bring APA to enterprises.
Being able to rapidly build new processes, be able to automate in the places where it makes sense, and be able to scale out if you so choose, is really going to help enable this kind of agile enterprise.
A lot of customers have jumped both feet into automation and have discovered that they're not necessarily getting the outcomes they want.
Business process services is now finally entering a new innovation cycle where technologies have finally caught up to our ambitions.
As we are building product and thinking about how we drive business agility, we are thinking about the learning element in terms of how do you understand what's happening within the enterprise, to then inform what kinds of actions you can do, and then creating repeatable methods to deliver and execute those actions quickly for the customer.
July 2017.
DXC holds a strategic workshop to optimize key advisory services at the front end of APA. Working together with clients, world-class advisors will benchmark current business processes and design the ideal data-driven path to desired future outcomes. Employing APA's consumption-based model, businesses can combine services into a scalable automation pipeline that delivers value at every stage of the automation journey.
Really, to enable these new capabilities and these new services, it really starts with understanding the data and what's possible with the actual data itself. But with the advent of things like robotics, process automation, infusing that with machine learning and artificial intelligence, we are now finally able to create the capabilities. What's fundamentally important about these technologies is it allows us to get a handle on all of the data, both the light data that we can visibly see and this emerging space called dark data.
We're at this tipping point where we can actually truly execute at scale.
September 2017.
Successful automation requires a dedicated technology partner that understands RPA scripting, infrastructure, monitoring, software licensing, and deployment at enterprise scale. Within DXC Automation Centers of Excellence, technology friction is eliminated. Robotics and people work together as an elastic digital workforce. Through the service, cloud-based APA bots can be scaled to meet the cyclical demands of the business.
Automation factories are most definitely a part of what we do. The idea of a factory is to be able to create something at scale, to be able to repeat the process over and over again, and to deliver a quality product.
We are delivering integrated services seamlessly right from the analytics phase into the delivery phase, and we are also supporting the robotic solutions that we have put in place. Our robotic automation technology is helping actually to accelerate the transformation into the digital world.
We're making it readily available on a consumable basis for clients to be able to bring it in, get their business objective done without having to make all of that ramp curve investment.
A lot of the reasons why you would come to a company like DXC and the business process services is actually freedom and independence. It's this ability really to partner with the right partners to help us bring that value and unlock that value in a way that makes the most sense for our customers.
January 2018.
Today, the vision becomes reality. Backed by its partners, DXC APA promises clients greater process visibility, fewer business disruptions, reduced costs, and less risk.
It takes a lot to bring all of these leading edge technologies to make it more humanistic, to build better engagement with our customers. But it's ultimately something worth doing, it's something worth pursuing, because when you can enable our clients to be more of who they want to be more of their authentic selves, we've effectively have helped them unlock their mission and really made them the heroes of their narratives. And that's what DXC stands for, and that's what BPS is here to help accelerate.
When you can see really how things execute, that's when you can actually start establishing a future state of how you want your company to look and how your processes should look.